Well guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet again another new bike. Probably my 7th or 8th at this point, but this is the 1993 Honda CB750 Nighthawk. I bought it off of someone who custom painted this kind of different metallic rust red pink color. I don't know, I kind of like it. Bike only has 12,000 and change miles. Runs great and has the Vance & Hines exhaust. Today I'm going to be putting on a few goodies that I have here that I got for the bike. Going on a trip to Montreal from New Jersey in 2 weeks, so I figured I'll go ahead and put an LED bulb. This is a USB charging kit for the phone, plugs right into the battery. Air filter, throttle rocker. Used it on my last trip, it was amazing. Definitely need that for long distance trips. And this windscreen for the bike. It's gonna look really sick. We're gonna see what we can get done today, but hopefully, definitely the air filter, the LED bulb, the windscreen, the battery tender USB charger, we'll see. We'll check a few stuff. A little bit rusty surface, you know, oxidation, rust. I was able to get a bunch of it off from here. We still have a little bit in the middle, but yeah, other than that, it runs great. I have confidence this is going to take me on that trip. I did it on my last SV650 and it was awesome. Chain sprockets look good. We'll see what we can get done today. And it should be fun. So to get into these CB750s, you just have to remove this here, put that somewhere. And oh cool, I didn't know I had a toolkit. A little dirty. Battery looks good. Let's see when it's dated for. Can't find it anywhere. But battery looks fairly new, so that's good. So we're definitely gonna be routing that to here. Here's the fuse box. So to take these off, they're basically clips. The air filter on these bikes, over on this side, you just take the clips apart. This is a little broken, so I have to be careful. A little crack. And we had some spider buddies living in here not too long ago. Yeah, we'll give it a shot, see what happens. All right, so that was a lot easier than expected. It's literally just put into these rubber mounts here. You literally, when you take the seat off, push it back and it comes right out and comes off of this hinge here. Put it somewhere else. And this is our air filter. We'll see how long that hasn't been changed in. All right, so once you remove these 4 Phillips screws, it comes right off. And we'll take a look. I just bought a new one in case this hasn't been changed out in a while, but basically pull this tab out. This is what holds it in place. Well, as you can see, there's a little fluid down there, which is weird, right? Because there's no access to anything really but the air box, but there's gas on it. And it reeks like gas. Anyways, this is the old air filter. Looks pretty clean, but since I have a new one, we're gonna replace that anyway. So you basically just pull that out. This is the old piece. I'm gonna put in the new one. Air filter done. Alrighty, so I opened up the battery charger for the phone. This is the clamp that's gonna go onto the bar. Plan to put it somewhere, maybe on the side here, somewhere in the middle, so it doesn't block the ignition. I had that on my last bike. Quad block's the best. I opened up the side the same method as I did at the other side. I just pulled it out of the rubber clamps. And I'm trying to figure out, on my last SV650, there was a frame I could at least attach it to. So removing the tank definitely isn't worth it for me. It's an old bike. I just don't want to mess with any of the fueling. You know, it's got some rust on it and everywhere. So let me know how to disconnect this. The tank is full. We'll figure out another way how to wire it, but we'll give it a shot right now. she's all done. Once I put it up, everything will look really clean. Close the zip tie there. Could be a little better there, but it does the job for now. Fix it up when I get the opportunity. This is here. I can pull this up to tighten it. Everything's zip tied here. That's not going anywhere. In worst case scenario, I'll just zip tie another one. Open this up. Shows you voltage right away, which is nice. You charge your phone, and it's water resistant. Had it on my last bike. It was pouring rain. Worked wonders. Up next, we're going to be doing an LED light bulb upgrade and a windscreen to get up to those highway speeds a lot more easier. On the next video, I'm going to be doing new handlebar grips and bar ends. The mirrors look really sick. All right, so I have the F-Series windscreen for the bike. I'll be putting that in the description. Got it from Parts Giant. Set up all the clamps, but I think first I'm going to be putting in the LED headlight that I got, just because I'm not sure if I have to take this off anyway. So we'll take this off, see what's going on in there. If that's the case where it's really easy to take out and put in, I'll do that first and then put on the windscreen. So to do so, you need to remove a few Phillips screws. One here, there's none at the bottom, and one at the side, right side. And it should just come right off. We'll see what happens. Just as easy as that. This is what we're gonna remove right here. That was easy. So you're supposed to push this back. It should come right out. To reinstall it when you have the new headlight bulb in, just clamp it at the top, secure it at the bottom. Simple as that. Loosened it, and it can lift up. And this headlight should pop right out. Simple as that. This is the new LED that we're using for our bike. We'll see if it works. It's from Amazon. Has good reviews. Not excellent, but it's good. Can't really knock it for the price. So put it back in the same orientation. So fits directly into OEM. I just had it wrong. Put this right over. If that wasn't the most annoying process in the world, I don't know what else was. Just make sure to follow the instructions very, very well. I had to take the thing apart like twice, make sure everything matches up and stuff like that. But looks good. I like it. Could I have aligned it a little better? Probably. But you know what? It's an old bike. Gives it character. All right. So yeah, let's put it back together. See how she looks. There she is with the front end. We have the LED headlight in now, LED light bulb, and the windscreen. Looks pretty good. I like it. This is the bike in its entirety. That definitely took some time, but now when I'm on the highway, should feel a little bit better. This is what the point of view would be like. Not bad. Should help divide the wind. Could be aligned a little bit better too, but hey, does the job. Like I said, gives it character. I'll adjust it accordingly. This is my CB750 Nighthawk. We'll do a few more videos with her. I'm still gonna do the handle grips and bar and mirrors. Can't wait for that. See you guys in the next one. Let me know what you think. Do you guys have one? What have you done with it? I want to know. Let's get this community going. Catch you in the next video.